Hey guys, I'm Mark from Forever Retro, and I've recently just started collecting vintage and retro toys, and I just wanted to do a video to share with you some of my recent eBay purchases. And they've literally just arrived in the post today, and I've ended up with, I've got two boxes, one medium-sized box and one smaller box, not tiny, just smaller one. And I recently won these on a eBay auction, and I just thought I liked them, so I thought I'd buy them. And I just want to unpackage them in front of you on this video and see what you think. So, which box shall I open first? Shall it be the medium box or the smaller box? Do the cat's got blue. I will go with this one first. So let's see what's inside here. Got to be very careful, making sure I don't tear it. It's been nicely wrapped in brown paper. Hopefully. Oh, let's see. Get my scissors in here. Oh, brown paper, and then a box. So it's like double opening, it's like Christmas. Let's get rid of the brown paper, and now I've got another box. So what's inside this box? Let's see, how do I get into this? Let's have a look. So I'll put my scissors down here. This is open. Oh, let's be a bit careful. Don't want to break what's inside, do I? So, ooh, it has got some protective paper around it. That's going to make a nice mess. And I'm going to give you a sneaky look at the top and see if you can work out what it is. Does it say on it? No, it's by Grand Toys, or Jobets Grand, and it was made in Hong Kong. Let's slide this out. Oh, see if I can get this out of the box without revealing too much yet. It looks like the box inside. So, this one I think I won in an auction on Thursday evening. It literally popped up on ending soon, and it had, I think it had about 60 seconds left on the auction. So I didn't have time to read anything really about it, but nobody else had bid, so I just bid the starting bid and then thought about it later and see what I've got and see if it's any good. So I can reveal to you we have got a Cabbage Patch Kids posable figure, still in its packaging. It's not something I'd normally buy, but I just wanted to own something that was still in its packaging from 1984, I think it's from. The packaging has gone a bit yellow and it has got a slight crack in the side of it, but I quite liked that it was still in its original packaging, and I just thought it looked pretty cool. So it's a Cabbage Patch Kid, and hello, my name is Francesca Ann. So I don't know if any of you collected these Cabbage Patch Kids as a kid, but this one was born, it says on the birth certificate on the back, in 1984, January the 1st, 1984. Not that long ago. Well, what is it, 37 years ago? So this Cabbage Patch Kid is 37 years old. I just kind of liked it and thought, buy it. So I bought it. So there you go, that's my first eBay purchase that has arrived in the post today. Now I'll put that to one side. And now onto the second box. A bit of a bigger box. So this one, let's get the scissors on here, down the side. Oh. Don't know why I keep making oohing noises, but I think that's what you're meant to do when you do YouTube videos. Oh. Let's see what's in here. Oh, we have got some newspaper from the... That's not what I bought. And we have bubble wrap. Have some fun with that. And this is what I bought. So, as a kid in the 80s, I loved watching cartoons, and one of my favourite cartoons was obviously Masters of the Universe, He-Man, but another one was Thundercats! Thundercats are go! So I've been looking for some Thundercats figures from the 80s, and they're a bit expensive for me at the moment, so I thought I would take a punt on something boxed, but it's more modern. Well, modern, it's 10 years old, 2011 I think, but I wanted to have Lion-O, and here he is. So now Lion-O has a new home at Forever Retro. So this is made by Bandai, I think that's how you say it, and it's called Lion-O, and it looks pretty cool, still in its original packaging. Packaging looks decent. Don't know if I'll take him out of the packaging and display him or leave him in the packaging. I've got to decide yet. I might take him out because he wasn't a lot of money, so I just thought buy him. I wanted Lion-O. I do want the original one from the 80s, but that will come with time. So there's my second eBay auction purchase of the week, and I think he looks pretty cool. He comes with his sword and his glove, gold glove, I forgot what they call that, and it's called a Thunderlinks, magnet powered Thunderlinks. What does that mean? Connect with other Thunderlinks products. Ooh. So that's my second purchase that arrived in the post today. I hope you like it. So I have got a Cabbage Patch Kid and a Thundercats figure. So that's all for my first video. I hope you liked it. If you want to like and subscribe, people say that, or just like the video or whatever, follow me. Follow Forever Retro on Facebook, on YouTube, and I will hopefully do some more videos again if this one looks okay and turns out alright. So thank you, bye.